नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बेटियों। आई JVN डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह शेखावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्य तंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। In previous class, we discussed about anatomy of stomach, then pyloric stenosis, then and peptic ulcer part first. In today in peptic ulcer part 2, we discuss about general symptoms of peptic ulcer, complications of peptic ulcer, diagnostic of peptic ulcer, and general management of peptic ulcer. Let's begin. General peptic ulcer, symptoms of general peptic ulcer: epigastric tenderness. In gastric ulcer, tenderness feel in epigastrium, left to midline, and in duodenal ulcer, tenderness feel in mid to right of epigastrium. Sharp burning, aching, gnawing pain, dyspepsia, nausea, and belching. Complications of peptic ulcer like hemorrhage, perforation, narrowing and obstruction. This is called pyloric stricture or pyloric stenosis. Diagnostic test of for pyloric for peptic ulcer is first EZD. EZD means esophagogastroduodenoscopy. Esophagogastroduodenoscopy. This is the endoscopic procedure. And now we will discuss about the drug therapy or medication therapy for peptic ulcer. Let's provide pain relief medicines, antacids and mucosa protectors. Second, eradicate the Histolytica pylori infection. Two antibiotics and one acid suppressor. Next, heal ulcer. For healing ulcer, eradicate infection, protect until ulcer heal. Prevent recurrence. For prevent recurrence, decrease high acid stimulating food in susceptible people. Avoid use of potential ulcer causing drugs. Stop smoking. Hyposecretory drugs like proton pump inhibitors, AS2 receptor antagonists, antacids, prostaglandin analogs, and mucosal barrier fertilizers are used. If it is not treat, then we will in the treatment for surgery greatly decreased in the last 20 to 30 years, secondary to the discovery of Histolytica pylori. Required if ulcer in one of these states performed and overflowed into the duodenum, scarred and swelled so that there is obstruction, acute bleeding, and non-responsive to medications. Types of surgical procedure. First one is gastroenterostomy. Allows regurgitation of alkaline duodenal contents into the stomach. Creates a passage between the body of stomach to small intestine. This one is the body of stomach, and connect to the this one is the intestine. So avoid avoid this bypass this duodenal part and communicate from body of stomach to intestine directly. This one. Okay, students. This one is gastro and duodenostomy. This one is a gastroduodenoscopy. Okay, students. This one is gastroduodenostomy. this one is gastroduodenal stomach. Okay, student. सेकेंड वेगोटोमी, कट वेगस नर्व एलिमेंट एसिड सिक्रेशन स्टिमुलेंट, क्योंकि जो वेगस नर्व होती है वो एसिड सिक्रेशन करती है स्टमक में, तो उसको पाथ ऑफ वेगस नर्व इज कट डिवाइडेड, दिस इज द वेगोटोमी. These are the showing of surgical pyloroplasty. Widens the pylorus to guarantee stomach empty with, even without vagus nerve stimulation. इसमें अपन क्या करते हैं, जो वेगस पाइलोरिक स्फिंक्टर वाला पार्ट होते हैं उसकी जो मस्कुलर है उसको वाइड करते हैं और उसमें इंसिजन कट लगाने के बाद उसको थोड़ा विडन कर देते हैं विदाउट वेगस नर्व स्टिमुलेशन. टाइप्स ऑफ अदर सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर, एंटेरोटोमी या सब टोटल गैस्ट्रेक्टोमी. सब टोटल गैस्ट्रेक्टोमी, remainder must be reattached to the rest of the bowel below 1, below 2. Below 1 is distal portion of the stomach is removed. Enterectomy, repeat, I am repeat this. Lower half of stomach must cut most of the acid. Lower half of the stomach makes most of the acid. Removing this portion decrease the acid production. This is the enterectomy. Subtotal gastrectomy, remove 2/3 of stomach. This is the subtotal gastrectomy. Third one is remainder must be reattached to the rest of the bowel. There are two types of. First one is a Billroth and second is Billroth 2. Let's understand. Billroth 1. In Billroth 1, distal portion of the stomach, distal portion of the stomach, distal portion of stomach, this stomach is removed. The remainder is anastomosis to the duodenum. This stomach part of stomach has been removed and distal portion of stomach is anastomosis to the duodenum. This one. It means the most of the acid production part has been removed. This is the Billroth first. Now Billroth second. In Billroth, the lower portion of the stomach is removed and the remainder is anastomosis to the jejunum. In this portion, in this type, the lower portion of stomach is removed and the anastomosis to the jejunum. This is the jejunum part. This is the jejunum part attached to the lower portion of the stomach. Clear, students? Postoperative care, you can see in nasogastric tube monitor the postoperative complication, bleeding, duodenal stump leak, gastric retention, dumping syndrome, anemia, and malabsorption of fat. So, student, this is all about the stomach disorders. This is one is a peptic ulcer. So, students, I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts and queries, mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.